I'm a vegetarian. We're in love.
I've licked one of these croissants.
I'm not wearing any underwear.
I'm stoned.
I'm a racist.
I'm pretending to have cancer.
But we all love Duke's Barrel Cheese!
Duke's Barrel Cheese, the cheese for liars.
I'm asking you to exit the vehicle for me, please, okay? So that involves turning your legs all the way outside of the car and then stepping using your 2 feet out of the vehicle, okay? Just throw the lead in the car. Just throw it in the car for me. Just, nope, you don't have to get back in. Nope, nope, nope. Nope. Oh, Jesus Christ. Yeah, That's a first. Yeah, no, I've never seen this before. Which car is she in?
The red Elantra right here.
Okay. So she was continually ramming it?
Yeah, like I said, she was still in drive when I got here. I had to tell her to put it in park, and then I went to check on the other guy, and she had put it back in drive. And wasn't trying to get away, but just, like I said, it was kind of on autopilot.
Okay.
I had to take the keys and everything, so.
Hello. How are you? Is everything okay? So what happened? What happened? I can't hear you. You got to speak up for me, okay? What was that? You don't know? You don't know what happened? Okay. Do you have your driver's license on you? Do you have your registration and insurance at all? You do? Can you grab it for me?
Yeah, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, parents, grandparents, whatever, please pay attention. This is not your average underaged DUI case where they got their hands on a bottle of vodka or a 12-pack of beer or what have you. Not at a party, anything like that. This is a vanilla extract intoxication. We've been through this over the years. It kind of becomes a little bit of a fad, and then it goes away and it comes back. It seems like about 4 years ago, 5 years ago, there were several cases of it. It seemed to kind of quiet down. It's almost like every generation that comes through has to experiment with this. It's extremely intoxicating. As you watch this young lady, she's tripping. She's out of it. She is totally out of it by simply consuming vanilla extract. And we'll get into why there's alcohol in vanilla extract, and we'll get into the amount that's in vanilla extract and how vanilla extract mixed with Coke basically gives you vanilla Coke, which Coca-Cola produces on their own without the alcohol. And we will get into that more as it goes on. Let's get into this video a little bit further. I've got 2 cases that we're going to discuss, and I've got some news reports and an experiment that's on video. And we'll get into all that. In the meantime, hit that like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Tickle my algorithms. Keep the channel going for me if you like what I'm doing. Let's get back to it here.
Hey, brother, how are you? My name's Deputy Price with the Sheriff's Office. What happened, man? Is your neck hurting?
Yeah.
Okay, you don't have to move your head for me, okay? Would you mind just telling me what happened exactly?
So red light, I was almost at a complete stop. There was one car in front of me, and then it just boomed.
She just crashed it right into you?
Yeah.
Okay, brother. Do you happen to have your registration on you? If you can't reach it, I'll go over to the side and grab it. Is the address on your... it's okay if you can't grab it, man. I understand with the neck. I'm not going to try and...
If you need it, I got his license right here.
Do you still live...
Yes, sir.
Awesome, brother.
Sir, what's your phone number?
What's a good phone number? Yep.
Can I already get her info?
She's so out of it.
Would you like me to ask for her DL?
Yeah, I already asked her. She says she's had it. I asked her to give it to me, but she hasn't given it to me.
I'll try again.
I'm thinking it's going to be probably drugs and alcohol.
Talking about neck pain.
Probably drugs and alcohol. Look at her pupils.
Yeah, I got a rescue coming.
Okay, brother. You want to get transported over to the hospital?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
My registration, I believe it's on the passenger side floor.
Hey, listen, brother. I ain't worried about that. I'm worried about you, okay?
Okay.
So, just to give you a little heads up, the driver that hit you appears to be impaired by drugs or alcohol.
Okay.
Okay. So, whatever hospital they're going to be transporting you to, I'm going to come. I'll meet you over there after I'm done doing all my DUI investigation with her.
Okay.
And then I'm going to come over and I'm going to give you the paperwork. She is going to be issued a citation, obviously, for the crash. And some other stuff, but I'll meet you over there, brother. But
yeah, thank you.
You ain't got nothing to worry about, okay? Take care of yourself. I'll find out what hospital you're getting transported to, and I'll meet you there, okay?
Okay.
Just so you can remember, my name is Deputy Price. Like the price is right, okay?
All right.
And you still live at that address, right?
Yeah. Well, see, I live at this one.
The one in.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. That works with me. All right, but like I said, take care of yourself first, and I'll meet you over at the hospital, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
No tag light.
So what does he want with his car?
What would you like to have happen with your car? Would you like us to call a tow for it, or do you want us to move it over to the Wawa?
If you want us to call for a tow, the tow will work with your insurance company. Whoever we call, we can give you that information as well.
Okay, yeah, let's go ahead and do that.
Okay. Slight odor of alcoholic beverages emanating from her person, not much from her breath, because she is not speaking. She's got slow and sluggish body movements, can barely stand her attention, divide her attention. She has glassy, bloodshot, watery eyes, constricted pupils, all general indicators of impairment by drugs or alcohol.
We'll bounce my car up, and then yeah, we'll just fall behind the rest. That'll be fine, and then I'll get her up and we'll take off. Okay. Thank you.
Hey, Miss. Do you mind hopping out of the car for me, okay? Do you mind hopping out of the car for me?
I love this officer's choice of words. Would you mind hopping out of the car for me? It's more like, you think you could fall out of the car for me? I just found that hilarious.
Miss Mc... Can you step out of the car for me? Can you step out of the car for me? Miss... Can you step out of the car for me, please? Can you exit the vehicle? Hiccuping. Miss... Can you exit the vehicle for me? Miss... Are you understanding what I'm asking you? You do? Okay. You don't understand what I'm asking you? I'm asking you to exit the vehicle for me, please, okay? So that involves turning your legs all the way outside of the car and then stepping using your 2 feet out of the vehicle, okay? Do you mind performing that task I've asked of you, please?
Hey, Chase.
Yeah.
I'm gonna move my car up here real quick.
If you need to move my Crown Vic.
Thanks, bud.
Thank you, brother. Okay. Do you mind hopping out of the vehicle for me? Exit the vehicle for me, please. Exit the vehicle for me. Miss, step out of the car.
Okay, unlike a lot of these videos we do where the driver's just being obstinate, just not following orders because they want to be obstinate toward the officer, this gal cannot function. She is literally, her body is not responding. That's how screwed up she is. That's what makes this so dangerous. Similar to like, and they're not similar in the end result, but like sniffing glue or paint, what it does to the brain cells. This is an extreme intoxication, and from what I understand, what I've looked into, this consumption of vanilla extract, not only will it blow your mind how much one little bottle of vanilla extract, how much alcohol it contains. From what I understand, it stays in the bloodstream longer, and I don't know if there's a deeper, like, if it permeates deeper or what, but I watched a video of someone who did it as an experiment, and they certainly felt like it was rapid and way more intense for the amount that they supposed alcohol they consumed. This girl is completely gone. She's just totally wasted. And how scary, huh? How scary. Operating a motor vehicle. Scary as hell. Man. All right, hit that like, subscribe. Let's get back to it here.
Can you please exit the vehicle for me? Nope, don't go back in. Don't go back in. Miss, exit the vehicle. Get out of the car.
407. India Alpha November Sierra 80 IANF 80.
Okay. I'm asking you once again, exit the vehicle. Can you exit the vehicle for me, please?
407
Okay. My name is Deputy Sheriff's Office. I want to... Nope, there's no need to hold my hand, okay? It's a relatively flat and level roadway, okay? So at this moment in time, I am going to inform you of something, okay? So I am changing hats. Oh, no, there's no need to hold my hand, okay? I wanted to inform you that I am changing hats, okay? From a civil traffic crash investigation into a criminal DUI investigation, okay? Subsequent to that, I'm going to inform you of something, okay? So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to have an attorney present now at any time during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you without cost. If you talk to me, you have the right to stop answering questions or speak to an attorney at any time. Do you understand each of these rights? You do? Do you wear glasses at all? You mind taking a look at me? Do you wear glasses at all? You do wear glasses? Are you wearing contacts? Do you mind taking a look at me? Are you wearing glasses? Are you wearing contacts right now? You are? Okay. Are they soft or are they hard? Do you have diabetes? No? You can shake your head up and down for yes and side to side for no, okay? Are you diabetic? No? Are you epileptic? Do you have epilepsy? No? Your contacts that you have in, are they hard or soft? Are they hard or soft? Hard? How long have they been in for? How long have your contacts that you have on right now been in for?
73112, 1061.
How long have they been in for? What time do you think it is right now? How much alcohol have you consumed today? You mind taking a look at me? How much alcohol have you consumed today? How much alcohol have you consumed today? Are you willing to perform a series of standardized field sobriety exercises in order to dispel my fears that you did operate a vehicle within the state under the influence of an alcoholic beverage controlled substance or chemical substance to the point that your normal faculties are impaired? It's a yes or no question, ma'am. Yes? Yes? Okay. Do you mind just taking the lead that they put on you and just place it right there in the car for me? Just throw the lead in the car? Just throw it in the car for me? Just, nope, you don't have to get back in. Nope, nope, nope. Nope. Oh, Jesus Christ. Nope, no, 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 step back out for me, okay? Step back out from me, okay? Oh, thank you for the gift, okay? Step back out for me, okay? Okay, we're gonna come over here, okay? I can't have you holding on to anything, okay? So I'm gonna have you come over here to me, okay? Come over here to me, okay? All right, just stop right there, okay? What I want you to do is I want you to put your feet together for me, all the way. Feet together all the way for me, okay? Like this. Like how I've got my feet, okay?
Okay, those of you that follow my channel and have seen these videos before know how I feel about field sobriety testing. I realize that it is an important step in the prosecution of these DUIs, but I'm sober as a tree right now, and if you tried to get me to perform some of these field sobriety tests physically, I couldn't do them. Now I realize that a lot of it's following instructions, and the eye test I get, the steps and the balance and all that, forget it. I mean, she can't even comprehend fully what's going on, and she can't function. Her body's not responding to whatever thought processes are going on in there. My guess is she's borderline alcohol poisoning. She's got a little hiccup going. You got that little chirp going on. At this point, under these circumstances and the totality of everything, I think I would be concentrating on her getting to a hospital and them trying to get her the contents of her stomach pumped. Now, they don't have any clue at this point if it's drugs, alcohol, what. Now, they're going to learn. But this girl stands not a snowball's chance in hell at even beginning one of these tests. And I promise you, in the eye test, it won't even take off. It just won't happen. She will not be able to function enough to perform the static retina, static, whatever, where the eye flutters when you've had too much to drink. There's so much obvious that's going on here. There ought to be blood drawn here. And if, considering this is a criminal element, whether, and chances are she would agree to it anyway, but because once given the options, most do, because they learn they're going to lose their license and so on and so forth. Yeah, I'd be thinking about maybe her health just a little bit at this point, because this is beyond anything that we see on a normal basis here. All right, let's get back to it.
All right, that's not all the way together, but that's good enough. I want you to take your arms and I want you to put them down by your side for me, okay? All right, go ahead and put your arms down by your side for me, okay? Don't move from this position until I tell you to do so. Do you understand? Yes? Nope, don't move, okay? Put your feet back together for me, okay? Put your arms all the way down by your side. Don't move from this position all the way down by your side. Don't move from this position all the way down by your side. Arms down by your side. Don't move, nope, down by your side. Don't move from this position until I tell you to do so. Do you understand? Nope, feet back together. See how I'm like this? Feet together. Arms down by your side. Don't move from this position until I tell you to do so. Do you understand? I need a verbal yes or no. Yes? Okay. What color is this? No, what color is the tip of my pen here? This is black? This color right here that I'm pointing to is black? It's blue? Okay. What I want you to do is I want you to follow the tip of my pen with your eyes and your eyes only. I don't want you to move your head. Do you understand? Go ahead and put your arms back down to your side for me, okay? So once again, I'm going to have you follow the tip of your pen with my pen with your eyes and your eyes only. Don't move your head. Do you understand? Do you understand? You're going to follow the tip of my pen with your eyes and your eyes only. You're not going to move your head, okay? Keep your arms down by your side for me. Do you have any questions as it relates to the exercise? Do you understand all my instructions? Do you understand all my instructions? You don't understand my instructions? No, you don't understand my instructions, or yes, you do understand my instructions? You do? Okay, go ahead and put your arms back down by your side for me, okay? I'm going to go and begin. Take a look at my pen for me, okay? Remember, follow with your eyes and your eyes only. Nope, keep your head still. Nope, keep your head still. Keep your head still. Arms down by your side. All right. She's too impaired in order to perform the exercise. Do you mind just going and put your hands behind your back for me? So you are under arrest for DUI with serious bodily injury, okay? Do you have anything on you that's going to poke me or stick me? Any guns, knives, drugs, illegal weapons, anything like that? Gotta adjust this other cuff. Extreme the small wrists. So if you haven't, we're going to walk over to my car, okay? It's the car behind this one. Do you have anything on you that's going to poke me or stick me? Any guns, knives, drugs, illegal weapons? Okay. So if you have anything on you that can be considered illegal or contraband that's brought into Monroe County Jail, it's a third-degree felony, punishable by up to 5 years in the Florida Department of Corrections, okay? I want you to take a look at me and open your mouth for me, okay? Okay, what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you take a seat in the back of my patrol car here, okay? The easiest way to do it is to put your feet in first. And then all the way in, okay? Yeah? Oh, that might be like... That might not be alcohol. Vanilla extract?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
What?
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
Plus the bottles that are here on the floor too. So 21 bottles of vanilla extract.
What the hell? Oh, here's... extracts. Walmart, 5511 Deep Lake Road, 92222. Okay. I mean, FD said her sugar was fine, so
Yeah,
that's a first.
Yeah, no, I've never seen this before. I'm literally going to Google what happens if you drink a bunch of vanilla extract.
Yeah. Just going to finish the DUI.
It calls alcohol poisoning. That's because I guess vanilla extract's got alcohol in it. No. What else is this? A hand warmer for Florida. More containers of vanilla extract.
Nothing else of note?
Yeah.
All right, there you have it. 21 bottles of vanilla extract. This is almost a serious health issue at this point with her. Now, the video ends here. They don't specify the charges. I would imagine there's no need to at this point. There's not the normal resisting and all that kind of stuff. You just basically have criminal DUI here. The reason I'm doing this is because I want to bring it to the attention of those that aren't aware that this can be an issue. You know, mamas, hide your vanilla extract. You don't let the kids get a hold of it. Yeah, not good. Scary situation. And I'm going to do another video. This one's, better than 25 minutes long. So I don't want to drag it out any further by adding to it. I've got another story that I'm going to follow up on with this. But don't go anywhere yet. I'm going to throw a little news story. I think this is from several years ago, but it discusses the problem with this. So give me a few more minutes of your time, and at the end of this, I'll put a couple little video clips there that kind of define all this out for you. I'm Frauditor Ram. Hit that like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff, and please share this information. All right, let's watch the rest of this.
That's a lot of parents' attention. Students apparently getting drunk, hammered off of vanilla extract, believe it or not.
One student, in fact, got so sick, APS is now alerting parents to this particular brand that anybody, even kids, can walk into a store and easily buy, even though the alcohol content is comparable to vodka. A lot of you have questions about this on our Facebook page. So tonight, Latasha Givens is walking us through what parents really need to know here, Latasha.
Well, Cheryl and Jeff, there are countless ways to get drunk off of other liquids besides standard alcohol. But Grady High confirms a student was hospitalized after getting drunk off of the vanilla flavoring by mixing it with their coffee and drinking it on campus.
When something says extract or elixir, people should be aware that usually means there's alcohol in it.
While mouthwash, hand sanitizer, and cold syrup have also been used to get buzzed, vanilla extract can have a higher percentage of alcohol than you might realize. Robert Geller, the medical director at Georgia Poison Center, explains.
1 4-ounce shot of vanilla extract is equal to drinking 4 shots of vodka.
When it's made, vanilla beans are soaked in alcohol for days. Geller says these 4 ounces are very potent.
Vanilla extract is usually 35% or 70 proof. Vodka is usually 60 to 80 proof.
The difference? You're not carded to buy vanilla extract. The National Capital Poison Center has a section on its website that warns parents not just of vanilla extract, but also of other items you might have in your pantry, like poppy seeds, nutmeg, and wintergreen oil. And the alcohol proof is about the same for most pure flavoring that you can buy at the store. But when it's used for cooking, the alcohol dissolves, so you can't get drunk. But you can buy the alcohol-free option at most stores. Right.
Well, there you have it. Pretty disturbing, huh? Yeah. You hate to see something like this become a fad again. Share this video. Real important that anybody that's not aware of this is aware of it. It's kind of a natural thing for us as humans to want to alter our state. And that's why we drink. That's why we do things to alter our state of mind. It's but 18, 19-year-olds, 16, 17, 14, 13, whatever, they're not in any position to. This is just dangerous. It's just flat out dangerous. And watch for the next video I post. It's another depiction of how this isn't like your normal intoxication. You see my videos. You see the belligerent, just intoxicated attitude. This is entirely different. This is almost like they're spaced out, almost like they're tripping. You know, total, like they just can't function. Really scary. Anyway, well, I'm Frauditor Ram, and I appreciate you being here. Hit the like and subscribe if you like what I'm doing. Help my channel. Keep it alive. That's what keeps it going. Is you people visiting. Make sure you share this video. Until the next time we meet, I'm Frauditor Ram. I'll be gone.
Jesse, don't go! Jesse, no!
I'm sorry, Daisy, but I'm a loner, and a loner's gotta be alone. Yeah!